It's cold out here. 21 degrees. I've experienced colder. In fact, I've ridden in negative 17 degrees on a motorcycle before when I lived in New Jersey. So I'm sure it's always colder somewhere else, wherever you're at. I don't want to hear any of the nye. But everything is just covered in a sheet of ice. Oh wow. Getting knocked on the tarp. This tarp is actually maintained its shape from the ice. It's like fiberglass when you put the resin on it and let it set up. This is probably the same. My temporary windshield cover that I put on here. When I had the windshield out and I was fixing all the rust around the bottom of the windshield. This door will probably open. It doesn't look as bad as it did last night. There it is. Hey. A little bit of ice there on the floor. No icicles hanging off the dashboard or any of that silly stuff. The tree over here is still down. It doesn't look to be broken though. It's just leaning way over. Well, it'll probably heal. Icicles hanging off the back of the bug. All the icicles down the back of the Gia. I don't know if the camera's picking that up quite like I can see it. Ice get in there. Nope, it still hasn't gotten any rain or ice on the inside of this vehicle, despite the window being down about 2 inches.